All right, we're back. So we have the small 18 gauge eyelet that fits on the coil right here. That. Make sure it fits before you stick it on for permanent. And then you have the thin shrink tubing, this glue style, that just barely fits over the thing. Now you know this gets wider when you crimp it, makes it bigger.
We're gonna make it work.
We're just gonna force it on no matter what?
Yes.
Okay, good. I don't need as much to shrink off this time because I'm not going through 3 wires at once like I did before. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, it's getting a little chintzy there.
Yeah, now it's gonna be too long. So.
That's perfect.
Perfect. Yeah.
Perfect.
Should we put the shrink on first or later?
Just for fun.
Just to be different? Just one.
So we don't forget them.
I would never forget it.
Oh.
Good thing I didn't lose the eyelet, I only lost a nut.
Zenith.
So the split is right here on the top, on the eyelet, not on the bottom. See, just the top, just the bottom. So you always want to crimp it with the bottom, where it's solid. Otherwise, when you crimp it, the ones that are just folded over, they'll split apart. The ones that are welded, they'll try to split. If it's a good weld, it won't matter, but it's best to do it this way. And these are the professional pliers that really put a good crimp on them, not the cheap-ass ones that go just like this that don't do anything. Okay, I need a little shrink on. Is that the shrink on there now?
Shrinks on both. Both.
Put that right over that little dinky ass hole I can't see. Go like that. And if you ever crimp it, you're trying to split, you cut the wire in half, so don't do that. So you have to figure that out by doing it. Okay, pull it down. Don't go all the way to the edge of the thread, but go all the way down to cover that area up. You want to leave enough room for the nut. So you don't want to be leaving only halfway. Don't be afraid to go down and get in there. Okay, keep the shit out. Go for it. I want to see the glue dripping out of there. You said it was glue.
There she is.
You should see the glue just lightly piss out of the end of the cable.
She did.
I think that other one won't melt it enough to do it. So now you can do all 3 again.
The other one didn't have glue.
So that's probably why I didn't do that. So it rolled around the edge real nicely. I think it's good. That's really good. There we go. Where my hands are. Back angle. Here, let me clean my thumb off. I've done that before I burn people. Got my hand real hot, touch them. Ah! What? Just my thumb. Do you think it was hot? I think I like that. Okay, look how nice and clean that is now. Then you go like this, pull the tube down a little bit sometimes, but I don't think this one's going to let us do it. If I cut them short, you can actually pull it down a little bit, because this is snaked up real small.
It's okay. It's kind of nice to be able to see your colors.
Yeah, well, I pull it down a little bit. So now, if you want, you can take that little short zip tie that was left over. You can zip tie these all together if you want, but I usually don't do that.
Your love is gone. Just make it hard to pinch it and crimp it anyways.
Now the key part here is you don't want it near your secondary because that'll short, but you don't want it to be hitting anything. We can't go up because we have a bracket right here, so we got to kind of make this where it works. So the first thing you do is the hardest one, which is the center one. So you got to go like that a little bit. And the blue one is, what color is blue? Blue was front, wasn't it? Pink was front. Which one was it?
Yeah, I don't remember now.
Don't remember?
I don't remember. And the blue, it seems like the pink went to the back.
If I did it correctly, I would have made these wires 3 different lengths, but I didn't do that. So. Because I wasn't sure how it's going to work until I did it.
Oh, did it though?
thinking that the pink wire,
Oh, dealy doo.
if we did this correctly, it's not the tack, it's the actual wire that goes to the ignition module. Now, it probably wouldn't hurt to check that. Do you know how we check that?
Computer.
We'll meter, pull the in the harness off over there, and we'll check it.
Wer ist wieder?
Now, when you tighten these all up, you have all of them where they don't touch each other. Put a little curve in that sucker like that. It works. Our blue wire is a little bit on the long side, but we can pull that up here a little bit. We can actually pull the blue wire slightly back a little bit up here. Okay, we're done with the pink.
So, I believe this is pink here. That should be pink. Bless you.
Is it zero or beeping? Don't make no noise. Nope.
Oh. I'll tell anybody what just happened there.
Probably on the wrong wire.
I was on the wrong side.
Oh, you're on the module side? There was a pink wire though.
Oh Lord, have mercy.
We did it right.
Help him. Help that boy.
What are you doing over here? Can't see. What'd you do?
I was looking up the pink one over here. In the
Module? The one that goes to the module?
This is one that runs over there.
The one that's actually the harness in the bike here? You didn't feel like doing? Okay, where's the pink wire? Hit it again. You sure you're on pink and not red?
This right here is pink.
Not beeping. Sure you're on the pink? It's not beeping. It's not beeping. It's not making noise.
This is definitely pink here.
What are we doing? We're not beeping. We were beeping before, we're not beeping now.
It's not good.
Are you the wrong end again?
Yep.
Did it again. Oh yeah, let's do the correct one. See, from the top view, I can't see which one you're on.
That's so embarrassing.
Oh, you did. It's on camera
I
too.
just talked about it, did it again.
Still did it.
And it's a fucking male prong when I got it right there.
Well, you can't tell if there's male or female. And you're not even in California. At least,
We're cutting this out.
at least you have the excuse.
Well, you know we're not.
Oh yeah, I gotta go find my book. We're gonna double check the schematic. We'll be right back.